Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Okay, today is like a hair tutorial and like tips and it's a different kind of video. Okay, so today I will be talking about my yarn locks. I've had them in for about a month and a half, and I recorded a video for you guys on how to install these, but I deleted the footage. Yes, it happens to the best of us. You get pissed off, you want to say F it and move on and let go. But on my Instagram, a lot of people were like, did you do a tutorial for this? Did you do a tutorial for this? And I'm like, yes, I did. And I've been putting it off because I was going to take this out and just be like, to hell with it. I didn't have time to, be doing it all over again because I got stuff to do. Okay, but I always try to come through and give y'all what y'all want. So today I will show you guys how I keep, how I take care of my hair while it's in yarn locks. And I will also take out 2 in the front, and I will show you guys how I install them. So if you would like to see, if you would like to hear about my tips and tricks and see how I install my yarn locks, stay tuned. What I do daily, I oil my scalp, and I went to Sally's Beauty Supply, and I bought this thing with a nozzle. It's for coloring, but we're not gonna, don't pay on that. Don't worry about that. And it's really easy, like, to go in between, and you get down in there. And after I do that to my entire head, I massage my scalp, get it in there real good, real nice and all that. Another thing I use the Talia with G Protective Styles. It's the Bamboo, Avocado, and Peppermint Conditioning Restoring Serum. Now, let me go ahead and show you this. And the directions say that you apply it up to 3 times a week. Sometimes I did it every day, depending on my scalp. This has peppermint in it, so it had my scalp tingling and feeling good. That's what it looks like. And I just take it and I massage it in my scalp, y'all. Massage it, that's it. I massage it. And y'all, it smells so good. It feels so good. I don't know where you can purchase this because Talia with G did send me this, but I'll leave the link down to their website below. I don't even know how much it costs. Okay, but this is the bomb. Let me stand up. Oh, y'all see Selena? But yes, this is how long it is. If anybody that knows me knows I do not like long hair, but I love these locks, y'all. Like, you can style them and do whatever, And they're not heavy at all. They're not heavy. They haven't broken off my edges or nothing like that. The little bit of edges I do have, okay? Don't go there. Don't be shady. Okay, taking these locks out are very easy. Make sure that you're not cutting your hair. So basically, I just cut the lock and I unravel it. And then after that, you just take it out. And this is the most tedious part of this hairstyle. Taking them out, wrapping them. Braiding it wasn't so bad, but wrapping it is kind of, it's annoying. Your arms be up like this and you going like this, and it just, Okay, and if you aren't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at 4C_NISEY. And I also do have a Facebook page. I'll leave the link down below to that as well. And look at, there's the buildup. Let me find out. Inches on inches on inches. Alexa, play Money by Cardi B. I ain't fooling with y'all today. Y'all know I ain't got no Alexa. Okay, y'all, for this style, all you need is some yarn, some scissors, you need a lighter, I'll get that in a minute, and you need a moisturizer for your hair. The yarn that I purchased is the Red Heart yarn, and I got this from Walmart, and I believe this is $2.94 for this big thing of yarn. And I use 1 whole and a half one. So how have you guys' new year been? Like, do y'all got some goals that y'all trying to achieve in the new year? Let me know. Drop them down below. I'm taking some of my moisturizer, and I'm going to make sure my hair is thoroughly coated. The thickness of your locks, the length of your locks depend on you. Okay, so I'm going to pull off some yarn. I don't measure it. I just pull and snip. So I use 3 pieces of yarn to braid. And also a tip when doing your yarn locks, do not braid your hair tight when you're doing the braid, because when you wrap your hair gets tighter and you don't want to cause breakage. The point of a protective style is to protect your hair, okay? You don't have to braid the yarn all the way down. You'll just use this as your base to wrap your lock. Okay, so this is done, and as you see, it's not tight. Do not make these tight, y'all. Y'all gonna break your hair off. You're gonna have a major headache, because when you wrap, your hair gets tighter. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I complete the wrapping process. Okay, so with the strands, we're not folding it in half. We're gonna line them up at the top. Make sure you're at the base of the braid. And make sure the yarn is flat. Okay, so you see it so far? See how it's tightening up right there? Once you've reached your desired length, I'm gonna show you guys how to tie it and burn it. Okay. You're gonna leave out 1 strand of yarn, and you're gonna double knot it. Then you cut off and you palm it, and there you have it. See? It looks good. Look at that. This is probably longer than the rest of my locks, but oh well, it's about to come out. And it looks super skinny. We're gonna compare it to an old lock. It looks super skinny. The older they get, the looser they become, the thicker they become. As you can tell, like, they get frizzy. They look so good when they're first done, but it looks more natural as it gets older, okay? Okay, you guys, I have reached the end of my video. I'm trying to think of anything that I may have left out. Oh, when it comes to getting your yarn, make sure that your yarn is 100% acrylic. That is another tip that you need to know before getting yarn braids, yarn locks, anything like that. Okay, it's very easy maintenance for yarn locks. They're not heavy, they don't pull your hair. They easy, y'all. Like, I just want to share with y'all one of my favorite protective styles. I've done this style 3 times in total, and the only reason why is because it takes so long. It takes so long. If you have any comments or any questions regarding the hairstyle, drop a comment down below. Let me know, and you know I will talk back to you guys. If you liked this video and found it helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below. I know you see it, you won't miss it. Like it's right there. It's right there. Just click it. Boop. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.